Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to talk about 3 amazing tools you can use for your business to generate new leads. In every business, you will need new leads all the time. And I will talk about specifically outbound organic lead generation because I truly believe every business owner should master organic lead generation before they move to paid advertisement, before they start to pay for Facebook ads, YouTube ads, LinkedIn ads, or TikTok ads. So in organic lead generation, first you have to define who's your ideal client, who's your avatar, and then it is recommended to choose a business model. Are you targeting business owners, which is B2B, business to business, or are you targeting direct customers, B2C, business to customers? Once you define all that, it will be way easier to find your ideal leads. So the name of the tool is Flowchat. Go to flowchat.com. It is an awesome tool. It can scrape leads from different social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and TikTok. Guys, under this video, you will see an affiliate link to apply for this software. It is not a free software, but it is totally worth it because it saves so much time for our team looking for leads. So yeah, after you apply and show the interest, they will schedule an onboarding call with you, and then you can start using it. So how it works, for example, it's really helpful. This is our Facebook group, but you can go to different Facebook groups once you define who's your avatar, your ideal client. For example, we work with a lot of real estate investors, online entrepreneurs, everyone who needs more credit to scale their business. And then in the group, you can go to members, and you can just scroll down and Flowchat will pop up, and then you can create different pipelines here. I will create a different video for a total guide of Flowchat. I just want to show you how it works. Like, we created all these pipelines and stages. Once I scrape the leads from Facebook, they will go here to this column, lead in, and then our team will qualify them and start to send messages and see if these leads are potential or not. So it is an awesome tool and saves a lot of time. I totally recommend it. Another really cool software is called Connected. This is specifically for LinkedIn, and what it does, it will send automated messages to your ideal clients, and it will look very organic because it will send 5 at a time. And on LinkedIn, you actually have to send a connection request first, and if they don't accept a while, then it will withdraw the request. So you see here the statistics: 55 requests sent, accepted requests 8 of them, responses received 4. So, and how it works, you go here to outreach sequences. On the top you see the stats. You can even add a new, let's say if we want to have a new messaging sequence, you can name your sequence, and then you can say which day you want to send it. And then you go to your LinkedIn or Sales Navigator, and in the Sales Navigator you will be putting in your ideal client or target audience and what you want to have, and then you paste the URL here. Or you can even upload a CSV file. And then you can even see the performance of your scheduled posts, prospects. You can even message from here. So it's a really cool tool. We love it. So the third tool is called Seamless.ai. It's a Chrome extension. Lately, I'm testing a lot of AIs because they are super cool and it saves a lot of time. So you can go with this one to any website and scrape the leads of website visitors. For example, I could go inkfile.com and see all the leads from all the entrepreneurs who are opening a company, and their name will pop up here. How amazing is that? Guys, these tools are great, but keep in mind that inbound lead generation is more important. And what's the number one inbound leads you can get? The best one is always referrals. if you give that customer experience and your clients are so satisfied that they will refer their friends, their colleagues, and many people to you. So those are the best leads. Another way of inbound lead generation is that you have a brand, an online brand present, and you create content, you give free value, and people will get curious. And if you put like a call to action, please DM business or whatever your niche is, or you are doing, and they will message you if they are interested. So those are the best leads always. So keep in mind to create content, to give value, because don't forget there's a rule in marketing: people have to see you and your brand at least 7 times until they buy from you. Make sure you have an online presence, you seem trustworthy, you show testimonials, then you can go to these tools, and I guarantee you will be successful. Another inbound lead gen categories, which I talked in the beginning, is paid advertisement, where you can put your call to action, book a call, message us, whatever your call to action is, and yeah, so you're paying for those leads. But as I said, try all these organic methods, these tools, and then go to paid advertisement. And if you would like to learn more business tips, tools, tricks, how to get to your goal earlier, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.